guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. Today we're going to be installing wheels and tires that I purchased off LMR. So let's open these guys up and see what they look like. Alright, so here's the wheel that I went with. These are the GT350 replica wheels from LMR. So these are the SVE's GT350s, or I'm not sure what they call them. But I picked these up during the Memorial Day sale for a really good price. So yeah, so the front ones are the 19 by 10.5s, or 19 by 10s I mean. And the back ones are a 19 by 11. These front ones have the Nitto NT555 G2 tires, and it's a 285/35 19 tire on these. So these are smaller than the 20-inch RTR Tech 7 wheels that I currently have in the car, and the tire is a lot bigger than the Tech 7's fronts. I believe on the front I only have a 255/30/20. I'm not too sure. It's the same tire. I know it's a little bit. It's a lot smaller. Looking at this, it's kind of, I don't know. I hope I don't have any issues with clearance, but I know there's a bunch of other guys out there that are running the same exact tire setup on the front and haven't said a word about clearance. So yeah. So let's open up the back one and see how those come out. Alright, so here's the back one. Wheels off of American Muscle. Didn't show up like this at all. So this is a huge step up. So it's really nice to see. So here's the front one, or the back one I mean. Same wheel. So these are 19 by 11s in the back, and they currently have a 305/35 19. Same tire, same Nitto NT555 G2s. So really great tire. I ran those on my Tech 7s. Really like them. They do well. So yeah. Wow. These honestly look a lot better in person than the pictures, and I am really excited to get these on the car, and really glad I picked these up. So the thing I liked about LMR ordering their wheels, their packages are pretty good priced. Their packages also come with a tire pressure gauge to check your tire pressure, which is really nice, as well as new lug nuts, and I believe these are black to match everything else, which is really nice. My Tech 7s that I ordered off American Muscle came with none of this. The tire package was really expensive off American Muscle, as well as the TPMS sensors. These are auto learning, so when you put them on the car, you don't need to buy a relearn tool in order to be able to check your tire pressure in the cabin. So that's really nice. So yeah, so now I'm going to open up the other tires, and I'm going to jack the car up, get the old ones off, and get these guys on and see how these look. So let's go ahead and do that. Alright, so here are the two side by side. This one's the back, this one's the front. Actually having them side by side, you can actually kind of tell a little bit. This one has a 50 offset. So this one's going to sit a little deeper. It's going to look a lot nicer on the car. Let's get these turned side so we can get a side profile of them, see how those look. Hang on now. So yeah, I don't know if you can tell this, but in person you can really tell that this is quite a big of a tire. Significantly a lot bigger than this one. So So I'm really excited to get this on the back, and hopefully they do well with hooking and everything else. So yeah, so let's get them on the car. There we go. That's the front one on. Now we're going to use the lug nuts that LMR supplied, so they're black, so ties everything well. I think we can't use the factory ones for multiple reasons. One, because I stripped the fuck out of the bolts, and I think they're too big in order to fit onto these. So really thankful that LMR sent these in. It's really nice of them. Alright, so these are the SVE replica G2 350 wheels. These are what they look like on. We only did one side for now. Then we'll cut to the next side. We'll do that later. Just basically wanted to see what they look like on. First impressions, I like them. I think these back ones, I feel like with the 20-inch RTR wheels, you can see the brakes a lot. And for some reason, I don't know, it just kind of looked weird after putting these on and then comparing them to the Tech 7s that were on here before. I don't know, they just felt weird. This tire, you can definitely tell when it's on the car that it's a lot wider than the front ones, which is kind of cool to me, honestly. And I mean, I personally like the way they look on the car. Personally, I might end up changing the center cap. Might just go on Amazon or eBay and find a glossy black one that will fit inside these. Just because, I don't know, I think it looked nicer with a glossy black center cap, but basically that's my only complaint. I think LMR did a great job making sure these were on here with the tire, and literally nothing wrong with the rim or the wheel itself. There was no scratches or anything on it, which is really nice. Like I said, really nice of them to send out black lug nuts so you don't have to use the stock ones that came with the car. Plus, we couldn't even use the stock ones if we wanted to. These suckers were on there, were really tight. So we basically had to hammer on a socket and pop these guys off. So LMR came in clutch for sending the new ones. So yeah, so now we're gonna get the other side on, and then all right. So we just finished putting on the new wheels. I like it a lot, actually. I think it looks really nice. I think the car still needs to settle a little bit from when it was jacked up, but overall the fitment of the wheels with the 285s in the front, I think it looks fantastic. And then with the 305s in the back, I think it looks really well. I have some springs in the car, or in the garage, that I need to put on, so when I lower the vehicle, probably an inch in the front and an inch in the back, I think it will really clear up this fitment a little bit, and it will sit really nice. So yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked it, please hit the like button. Disliked it, you can hit that dislike button. Next video I'm probably going to take my car to the dyno just to see what it makes. It's basically a full bolt-on car, so it's going to be interesting to see what it puts down. So yeah, just stay tuned. Thanks for watching.